Different sites in the Galapagos that you can visit. One of the places that almost every cruise itinerary covers would be the Charles Darwin Breeding Center here on Santa Cruz Island. We can see it over there in the distance. That's where it's located. Now, the Charles Darwin Breeding Center in Santa Cruz Island is, as the name states, it's a breeding center. This is part of a program that started in the 70s, in 1972, when we're talking about breeding tortoises in captivity here in the Galápagos of species that are in danger or for which the numbers are very low. Right, and the idea is that you have this breeding center where these tortoises are being bred, right? They're being born, incubated, and then they're kept until they're about 5 years of age, and then they will be released. They'll be taken back into the natural habitat, the natural island. Different populations of tortoises from different islands. Some of them are from Floriana, some of them from Santa Cruz. Different projects that have been going on through these years. Now, this breeding center is an excellent place where we can get to have some encounters with giant tortoises in the Galapagos of several species. And not only big giant tortoises, but also very baby, small tortoises, right? As we mentioned, it's a breeding center and incubation site. Now, along with this is a place where it's an interpretation center. You can come here and you can get to know or learn lots of different things about the several projects and programs that we have about conservation here in the Galapagos. This is a very user-friendly place where you can come by yourself and you can expect to get a great degree of knowledge and understanding of what's happening here in the Galapagos. Right, so another of the benefits or the coolest things that we can get to see at this place at the breeding center is several species of tortoises. These were individuals that were collected from certain parts on the islands. Usually these were belonging to people that used to live here, and they collected these tortoises to be kept as pets, but then they continue to grow and now they're massive, right? Now, these tortoises, they will be kept in captivity. In the breeding center, most of the ones that we find here on display are males, right? Neuter males. And the important or the interesting thing about this is that you get to see the different morphology of these animals, right? We have 15 different species of tortoises in the Galapagos, and several of them have different shapes in the morphology of the shell. And this is a place where you can see one next to the other, so it's quite convenient. You get to see the comparison and to see the differences firsthand.